okuza kutahura chikuru chizireho bwa nyuma y'abantu abizire nibitwa okwita amatungo okushisha emiseri y'abantu otireho na no kushisha amaju g'abatura ebitari kuho mushwekeki okumara hihe emyaka 2 hatahabwe muhondano ahita keri
itwena tujwaire nka security team tujwaire nduruganye nayo kandi kikira kutujwashya kiri enduru bwe kuba netere bisuba bikuba bingi muno kira manami tujwaire bisuba kandi inywe abantu ababulikyo mutakumanya ebisuba ebyo no bikulete bizibu nibigendo maiso nibibaho.
We are tired of Ganyinayo. And actually I don't know whom now should we invoke. Whether we should, because we have notified State House, we met the Minister of Security, is aware of this. The RPC has been here several times. And of course, the former army commander has been here several times. And we have been to Kampala several times. Even the MPs who were standing, they went to Kampala and explained the Ganyinayo issue. But it is not being solved.
Orutaro rukirayo ni kigambwa ngunoruga ahamugigo rukumanywa nka Vincent Mugisha hamwe n'abatura bo mushwekeki ecyaganye nayo barukufitaka embereji eyo kwita abantu hamwe no kushisha ibintu eshikirena no mu bicweka nka Mahasa hamwe na mukwisi abaturo mu bicwekebi bagambere imbere y'ibari kuturamo
zaretereza abantu no kufa kwa abantu abafwire umukubanza zikabasonga gushikurugira abintu bino byo kunenangana kutandikira hasonga za mataka betu ekintu eki hagati kigenzere cyahindukamo cyaba mu group endijo yakora mu mulimo gurusuma
abanaza amatiri kunu bamutanga umuhanda bamutera bayenda kumwita haje umuntu umwe mutorongo yabajangu mwaza kwitiraho mu kigo mwaza kureto buzibu abakigani bakutahire icyo kintu kikayambo kenesi yarabamuya bamurekura yajana nagwa nimuka ruhange twahirwa ikomoka ari mu tubugi
wabano wa intekateka ngo mu mateko mu kufune chapa ayine kurabo wa chamanero C1 chamanero C2 ayine kuchimanya chamanero C0 ayine kuchimanya chamanero C5 chimanya land board ya district chimanya kumurabe ni mumanyango mugishata ine cyo chapa ekibazibire kwimuka mukagamba niki
Miriam Kesime omukazi wa Vincent Mugisha rukugambwaho amanyiso rukiko ngwitake barukutura mu bakarugura bitungo rutaro rumwe byenganda
ry'abafundi turizarwa za kuno kandi twija kuno kwaguristaka kwaba batuze itake ri bari kuganda ryaganye nayo. It is free hold. The free hold, bakama banje. There is a judgment. Hariho judgment eri kudikuringa Mugisha 368 acres. Ziri hari. Ezibu ryomwe ari kusarimbiramu akatandi kakagamba itaka ry'abatoro. No! The law is there. Ebyo kugamba gwitaka ry'abatoro. Tukaruga aho twarugire twamuza kwafuruka twinaho kugaruka konka omuntu kuzahari akareba itaka ryawe akakwasibwa ababa ba local leaders bakatandika bakawagira ngo umuhinge takane ry'abatoro really that's very absurd.
Ensonga zitaka turazijwanza okujwanza mixing we mix turajwanza ensonga zitaka with crime kandi turemerewe kuseparatinga the two. The moment we learn to separate the two, crime from the land conflict, turaza kwikara n'ubusingi
ebimwe habicwirwemu mu rukiko no kwimusya fayiro zone z'abantu abazirena bahababirwa umukwita abantu kushisha bihingwa hamwe no kutahira abatura no kugumizamo barukweshweke cy'uburinzi. Amakuru agagasha kwa Daniel Bingana.